today I'm going to show you how to log into MyMaths. Your child will have been given a handout from their teacher which looks something like this. If they haven't got one of these, you'll need to email the office to request a new one which will be sent out to you. So on here we've got a school username and password and a portal email address and password, and I'll go through with what the differences are between those two. So I'll open up MyMaths, www.mymaths.co.uk. We click login at the top right, and here it's asking for your school username, which is the same for every child in the school. So it's Eastfield 1 and the password circle 164. Click login and you're faced with this page, and on the right you've got a different login screen which is your portal username and password. Every child has their own portal username and password. Here I've blanked out the child's name, but their username and password are here. So username 106 and password SLZ. Click login and that's all there is to it. So this tab shows us your child's homework. On the example that I'm showing you today, this child hasn't been set any homework, but your child's homework will come up as individual things, and there will be some information about when it's due. So that's the homework tab. You've also got some other tabs, a games tab, which has some good maths games for them to work on in addition to what your class teacher has set your child. We've got a scores section which gives you information about past activities that they've done and how well they've done, and then we've got a practice section which shows you in each year group how many tasks your child has completed out of that whole year group's worth of work. Okay, so that's about all there is to it. When your child is finished on MyMaths, all you have to do is click up here, the log out button, and it will take you back to this page. That's all there is to it.